Every day, millions of tons of waste are discarded, creating an urgent threat to the environment. Waste accumulation has become one of the most pressing challenges, not only polluting our ecosystems but also depleting the planet's resources. However, through the powerful process of recycling, harmful waste can be transformed into valuable resources, offering solutions for a cleaner and more sustainable future. Join me as we embark on an inspiring journey, exploring how waste collection and recycling practices are turning trash into a valuable asset for generations to come. The recycling journey begins with batteries every year. Around 3 million tons of old batteries are processed through recycling systems. Modern processing technology ensures that the royal jelly is preserved and can be used in soft capsules, optimizing nutrient absorption for consumers. Honey harvesting, precision and care. Now, let's turn our attention to honey harvesting. Creamed honey, known for its smooth, spreadable texture, is produced in a way that makes it more pliable and easier to use compared to regular liquid honey. After the honey is harvested, the trays are placed into a honey extractor, which uses centrifugal force and a spinning drum to separate the honey from the beeswax. The machinery dispenses the honey into jars with precision, ensuring consistent amounts without wastage or leakage. Once filled, the jars are automatically capped and tightly sealed, preserving the honey's freshness and quality. This in-depth look at the processes behind cheesemaking, royal jelly harvesting, and honey extraction highlights the artistry and dedication that goes into producing these beloved foods. From the careful attention to detail and dairy craftsmanship to the precision required for harvesting honey and royal jelly, these practices embody the timeless connection between humans and nature. Fresh milk is transformed into an exquisite delicacy, from the moment it leaves the cow to when it's ready to be enjoyed. In earlier times, when these farms had only 100 to 200 cows, the milking process was manageable, and everything ran smoothly. However, as the herd grew to thousands of cows, the need to upgrade the milking system became evident. The expansion of the herd required more advanced methods to handle the increasing demand. Before the milking process begins, workers meticulously clean the cow's udder to ensure hygiene and prevent contamination. This careful attention ensures that the milk is pure and safe for the cheesemaking process. These metals are then recycled for use in various industries, contributing to a more sustainable economy. Advanced crushers for car and metal recycling. Old cars are subjected to high-powered crushing machines from companies like VW and Moskvich, which have engines capable of exerting up to 500 horsepower. These crushers break down vehicles into small pieces, separating the metals from plastics and other materials. This process is key in metal recycling and helps in reducing waste while creating reusable resources. The combination of advanced machinery and experienced workers ensures that the recycling process is done quickly and efficiently, helping in the recovery of precious metals and minimizing the environmental impact of waste. Efficient sorting and recycling systems. At some recycling facilities, systems like the TRL drum and advanced conveyor systems help improve the efficiency of the recycling process. This is not only crucial for reducing harmful environmental impacts, but it also plays an important role in supporting agriculture. Batteries, rich in essential nutrients, can help promote healthy soil and crops, providing benefits to our food production systems. Recycled battery materials are used to enrich the soil, assisting in growing healthy crops such as corn, and also conserving precious natural resources that might otherwise be depleted. Lead acid in car battery recycling. At specialized facilities dedicated to lead acid in car battery recycling, solid waste is carefully processed. This step is vital in reducing environmental pollution and ensuring the protection of natural resources. The recycling process involves sophisticated machinery that dismantles and breaks down the batteries, removing harmful components, and repurposing valuable materials like lead and acid. By focusing on this specific group, the beekeeper encourages the worker bees to secrete royal jelly for feeding the queen larvae. To further support the production of royal jelly, the beekeeper removes the queen bee from the colony. The bees are then allowed to forage on natural, pesticide-free food sources, ensuring their health and the purity of the royal jelly. After 3 days, when the bees have filled the queen cells with royal jelly, the beekeeper can begin harvesting. Royal jelly extraction and preservation. The royal jelly extraction process begins by carefully removing the layer of beeswax that surrounds the queen cells. Using a knife, the beekeeper trims away the outer layer, revealing the precious royal jelly inside. The first step in cheese making is separating the whey from the milk. To achieve this, the milk is gently heated to 55 degrees Celsius, which helps dry the curds and extract more whey. The mold used in this process is carefully monitored to reach a temperature between 36 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius, ensuring that the curds begin to separate properly. Once the cheese curds have taken shape, they are placed into a brine bath for around 20 days. The brine tanks are usually large and filled with a saturated salt solution, which allows the cheese to absorb the salt, develop a firm rind, and enhance its distinctive flavor. This critical step in the process helps create the unique taste and texture that makes the cheese so special. After the aging process is complete, workers assess the quality of the cheese by tapping on the block. This closed-loop process ensures that glass is reused efficiently. These shards are then melted down to create new glass products, helping to conserve natural resources and drastically reduce waste. Strict safety measures are followed during the process to protect workers using heavy machinery and electrical tools. In addition to efficiency, these measures help ensure the health of those handling the materials and prevent harm to the environment. Aluminum can recycling. A valuable process. Aluminum is a highly recyclable material, and every year, thousands of used aluminum cans are collected, cleaned, and sent to specialized facilities for melting.